Hey, welcome back everyone. So in this section, we're gonna learn solving problems involving more than one triangle. So look at the first question. Calculate the length of CD to solve to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Okay, so we want to know CD, but we don't have enough information. We only have 26 degree and 90 degree. That's it. So we need more information, one more side length to find the CD. So to do that, we're going to look at this triangle. So we have 4.2 centimeter and 90 degree and 47 degree, and we want to know this side. Okay, let this be X. Let BD be X, and let's find that. Okay, so the given angle is 47 degrees. We're going to label everything. This is the opposite, X is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. But we'll be using opposite as a given, and we will be finding hypotenuse, so we don't really need adjacent. So hypotenuse, opposite, and hypotenuse, OH. That is so, right? So, OH. So we're going to use sine 47 degree is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, X is in the bottom. So X equals 4.2 over sine 47 degree. Let's put this into your calculator to find X. All right, 4.2 divided by sine 47 degree, and that is 5.74. So X is 5.74. So just in case, let's keep 3 decimal, 5.743. All right. After that, we know this 5.743. So we know X is 5.743. We're going to find the CD using X. Okay, so we have 26 degree. So this is the opposite, and this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. Opposite is not given. We're not going to look at it. So we're going to use hypotenuse to find adjacent. So AH, which is ka, right? So cosine 26 degree is adjacent. Let that be y. Adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 5.743. Okay, to find y, we're going to multiply. And let's put this into your calculator. 5.743 times cosine 26. And that is 5.16. So we are going to keep tenths of centimeter. So we're going to round up to 1 decimal. So 5.2 will be the answer. So this is 5.2 centimeter. So CD is 5.2 centimeter. So this is the answer. Okay. Do you guys understand how to solve the problem? Let's move on to the next question. Example 2. From the top of a 20-meter high building, a surveyor measured the angle of elevation. So surveyor is here. A surveyor is standing here. And if this person from the horizontal line, you always started from horizontal line. From the horizontal line, going up is angle angle of elevation, and going down is angle of depression. Okay, so from the horizontal line, going up, angle of elevation, going down, angle of depression. So surveyor is looking, measure the angle of elevation of the top of another building and angle of depression of the base of the building. So the surveyor sketched this plan of her measurement, determined the height of the taller building to the nearest tenth of meter. So here, so we want to find out the height, we have to find this. Let this be x, and we want to find this. Let this be y. Then the height will be x plus y. Okay? And what we know is 20 meter, which is y. So this is 20 meter. All we need to do is find x and add 20. To find x, we want to know the length from here to here. So let this be z. Okay, let this be z. Okay, to find z, we're going to use this triangle. Okay, this small triangle. All right, 15 degrees here, 20 is opposite, and z is adjacent. So opposite over adjacent, OA, which is TOA. So tangent, so we say tangent 15 is opposite, which is 20 over adjacent, which is z. Then z will be 20 over tangent 15. Okay? Okay, 20 divided by tangent 15. So that's 74.64. So we're going to keep 3 decimal places for now. So 74.641. So that is about 74.641. And now we know Z 74.641. We're going to find x. Okay, x is the opposite. If you use 30-degree angle here, x is the opposite and z is adjacent. Right? So opposite over adjacent again is tangent 30 is opposite over adjacent, which is z 74.641. And to find x, you have to multiply tangent 30 times 74.641. So tangent 30 bracket times 74.641, and that is 43.09. It says nearly tenth of meter, so we're going to round it up. So 43.1. So x will be 43.1. And the height is x plus 20. So height is 43.1 meter plus 20 meter, and that will be 63.1 meter. Okay, so I want you to look at this. Angle of elevation, the angle formed by horizontal line, depression, horizontal line. It always starts from horizontal line and a line of side above the horizontal line, and angle of depression, the line from horizontal line, a line of a side below the horizontal line. Okay, remember the terms. Let's move on to the next question. Bugs Bunny is 89.9 meters away from his rabbit hole. Here here's a rabbit hole, and here's a Bugs Bunny. This is 89.9. And the hog sees Bugs Bunny at an angle of depression. As I said, angle of depression starts a horizontal line. Some student thinks this is angle of depression. It's not actually true. It always starts from a horizontal line, and depression is 67 degrees. So what is the angle between hog and Bugs Bunny? Okay, so we want to know the angle between hogs and Bugs Bunny. We want to know this angle. How do we find this angle? We can simply subtract 90 minus 63 degrees, which is 27 degrees. So this is 27. And how far is the hog from Bugs Bunny? So we want to know the length here. We want to know the length here. Okay, so 27 degrees, and this is hypotenuse, and this is the opposite. So OH. So we're going to use sine 27 opposite over hypotenuse. Let this be D for distance. Okay, then the distance is, you can just switch it, 89.9 over sine 27. Let's simply just put this into your calculator. 89.9 divided by, 89.9 divided by sine 27. That is 198.02. Okay, let's keep two decimal places. 198.02. And how high is the hog above the ground? So we want to know adjacent this time. So we want to know adjacent. Adjacent, let this be H because it's a height. Okay, OA, we have opposite. We want to find adjacent OH, TOA. So tangent 27 is opposite over adjacent. Now we can just switch H and tangent 27 over tangent 27. Okay, let's put this into your calculator. 89.9 divided by tangent 27. Okay, 176.43. 176 point, if you round it, 44. Meter. So the answer B, 198.02 meter. Answer for B, 176.44 meter. Alright, do you guys understand how to solve the application problems? So that is it for today, and I want you to start doing your homework. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.